this video, you'll learn how to add and switch between multiple Facebook accounts on your phone without hassle. Whether you're managing a personal and business profile or just sharing a device, I'll walk you through the exact steps to make things seamless. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. If you're using Android, tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. If you're on iPhone, the profile icon will be at the bottom right. Now, scroll all the way down until you see Log Out and tap on it. When prompted, tap Log Out again to confirm. Once you're on the login screen, you'll see an option that says Use another profile. Tap that. Now go ahead and enter the login information for the other Facebook account you want to add. You can use autofill or type it in manually. Once logged in, you'll now be inside the second account. And here's the great part. Switching between accounts is super easy. Just tap on the profile icon again, top right on Android, bottom right on iPhone. Scroll down, tap Log Out, then choose Save and Log Out if you want to keep the credentials saved. This way, the next time you open Facebook, you can easily tap between profiles without re-entering details. And that's it. You've successfully added and switched to another account on Facebook. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.